Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Blocking someone on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. For Microsoft Teams, free. Open the chat tab. Go to the chat tab and find the person you want to block. Block the contact. Tap and hold on the person's name, then select block. For Microsoft Teams, work or school. Open the chat list. Go to the chat list and hover over the person's name. Block the contact. Click on the three dots next to their name and select block. By following these easy steps, you can block someone in Microsoft Teams. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.